Hi, Colleen. It's Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips on how to get some more rankings to your website, some more quality traffic, really. So the three things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Really, adding your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need to add more content in there so that way you can layer those keywords. Those keywords are how you're actually being found. Even these images, what they're saved as, you got menu shrimp. You could actually put keywords back there. That's just make a world of difference for your rankings. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in HVAC companies in Delaware, you can do any location really. You got ads here at the top. A lot of people have been going away with ads because they have become very spammy. A lot of people have been doing ad blockers too, so I don't even know if ads have a lot of ads that haven't even been getting through to people. I don't know if you're doing ads. I'll see here in just a second. Underneath the ads, we have this little map section. Now, really, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this map section, this is the first page of Google. And really to get on that first page comes down to making sure you have that authoric content on your site, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your site that's just really driving traffic and power to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and I think I got your one of your back pages. If I take your URL and stick it inside of a Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So right now, so it looks like you started this thing back in 2013 or so. You got 55 referring domains, which is pushing back 828 backlinks right now. Looks like historically you've had over 7,000, almost 8,000 backlinks. The PPC stands for pay per click, so it looks like you are running an ad or two in here. I don't know if you're doing TV, radio. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But you got 36 organic clicks to your website, and we can actually come in and see where those 36 clicks are coming from. So we have your name for a lot of it. Air conditioning repair, Berlin MD. There's 70 clicks. But you're getting a few clicks out of there. Service first. Maryland heating and air. There's 70 clicks. Your 21st position, so you're missing all the traffic. Looks like you're running an ad on that one as well. Service air, just trying to find those keywords. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Enhanced Heating and Air. If I go and take their URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, kind of giving you a quick rundown of what they got going on. This actually shows their position, the amount of traffic, which keywords, and also the volume as well. So HVAC companies in Delaware, there's 70 clicks every month. They got the first position on that. HVAC companies in Delaware, that's repeat. HVAC companies in Delaware. So it looks like they're getting that same keyword that they're pulling up. HVAC contractors Delaware, there's 20 clicks. HVAC Delaware, there's 100 clicks for that keyword there. So really we'd want to come through air conditioning repair Delaware, another 30 clicks. So really we'd want to come in and find all these keywords that's just driving traffic and making sure that we're getting a good position so that way we can actually draw a decent amount of traffic from that as well. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I would love a free custom game plan to help you get there. Feel free to reach back out to me, or if you could just want to give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these three free tips for yourself. Thanks.